finisher, chokehold queen. Nobody knows how to punish me like me. Masochist, the crave that touch. Lazarus, I can't be stopped. In retrospect, it's obvious. Yeah, I used to think that the reason I felt so bad was everyone else in the picture, but it's not